Radio Los Santos. Of course, we're gonna keep you up on the weather and today, so you know about that fog. It's gonna make everybody just a little crazy out here. Make sure you drive slow and take your time a little later, but for now the fog is coming in, so I'm letting you know the weatherman, Julio G, is going down on Radio Los Santos. Y'all be careful.
Got another gang story to tell Pete about how a black nigga was born in hell. And right then and there, it's no hope, cause a nigga can't escape the gangs and the dope. Damn, and when it's black on black, that makes it shitty. Can't survive in the Compton City. And food last bet, cause when it cheer, it's not that you want to, but you have to. Don't be your mark, cause niggas might laugh you straight off the motherfucking block. Can't deal with busters, so they ask for my fucking gang brothers. Gee, but I'm young, so nobody would wonder that the hood would take me under. Always strapping, even up the Now I'm a few ages older, got hair on my nuts and I'm a little bit bolder. And putting in work, I has to do my fucking part. I'm down for the hood and it's planted in the heart. Fool at school slapping on the girls' asses. Fuck the white education, so I skip a lot of classes. Cause ain't no teaching a nigga white reality. Teach me the motherfucking gang mentality. Pop, 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 winning and can't quit. Fool and ready to